The Boston Marathon bombings inflicted as much as $333 million in damage to local economy in lost wages, retail sales, and infrastructure damage, according to a preliminary estimate. According to CNBC, total business losses within the impact zone were at least $10 million. Other losses included the value of tickets for canceled sports events, symphony and theater events, lost fares on the subway and train system, also multiple other costs. Wages and retail losses were also large on the day of the lockdown. The Associated Press reports that the Labor Department indicates that the number of Americans seeking unemployment last week fell to a seasonally adjusted 324,000. The number points to fewer layoffs and possibly more hiring. Applications for unemployment are a proxy for layoffs. The unemployment rate will be released on Friday and is expected to remain unchanged at 7.6%. The U.S. trade deficit fell in March 11% to $38.8 billion, down from $43.6 billion in February, according to the Commerce Department. The Associated Press indicates that the daily flow of imported crude oil dropped to the lowest level in 17 years, contributing to the trade levels. The deficit with China also hit a 3-year low. For the first 3 months of 2013, the trade deficit is averaging at 5.9%, lower than a year ago. Reporting from Millionaire Corner, I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks for watching.